In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoice from Freeagent. We'll start from the main overview screen in Freeagent, which is the dashboard you see right after signing in. This page gives you a quick snapshot of your business, but for sending an invoice, we'll move into the work area. Look toward the top navigation bar, that's where the main sections live. Find the work option along the top. It can sit alongside areas like contacts, banking, and accounting, so keep your eyes on that top menu. When you've located work, click it. This opens up a set of work-related tools and, most importantly for us today, the place where invoices are managed. Inside work, choose Invoicing. This takes you to your list of invoices. Here you'll see existing invoices along with their statuses, clients, dates, and amounts. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct invoice you want to send. If you have many invoices, skimming by client name, reference, or amount can help you identify the right one quickly. Next, locate the Actions dropdown for that invoice. It's usually found on the same row as the invoice entry. Click the Actions menu to reveal the available options for that specific invoice. This keeps things tidy and ensures you only act on the invoice you selected. From the Actions menu, choose Send by Email. Freeagent will open an email compose window linked to that invoice. Here, review the recipient details to make sure the email address is correct and associated with the right contact. Check the subject line and message body. This is your chance to keep things clear and professional. A concise message, a polite greeting, and a reminder of the due date or purchase reference often help clients process payments faster. If you use templates, they should populate automatically, but you can still personalize the message. Depending on your account settings, Freeagent can include a PDF or a link for the recipient to view the invoice online. When everything looks good, click Send Confirmation Email. This finalizes the send and triggers a confirmation so you know it went out successfully. After sending, the invoice status will reflect that it's been emailed, and you can return to the invoicing list to continue your work. If your client doesn't receive the message right away, remind them to check their promotions or spam folders and verify you use the correct contact address. That's it. You've sent an invoice directly from Freeagent using the Work and Invoicing sections, the Actions menu, and the Send by Email workflow.